Did you know that during New Year's, the Earth is closest to the Sun? Despite being winter in the Northern Hemisphere, our planet reaches its closest point to the Sun, also known as perihelion, around January. This astronomical event occurs because the Earth's orbit is slightly elliptical, meaning that it's not perfectly round. And because of this, the distance between the Earth and the Sun varies throughout the year. The Northern Hemisphere starts to tilt away from the Sun in December, which means that by January, the entire northern half of the planet is bathed in the glow of the Sun. However, because the Earth is at its closest point to the Sun during this time, the sunlight is more intense. So even though we're closer to the Sun, the sunlight can't actually warm us up. This is because the energy from the Sun reaches Earth's surface in the form of radiation, and that process doesn't happen instantaneously. It takes about 8 minutes for the sunlight to travel from the Sun to Earth, and by the time it reaches us, the radiation has already begun to spread out over a much larger area. Despite the cold weather, you might be able to catch a glimpse of the northern lights or auroras during this time of year. That's because the Earth's magnetic field is being bombarded by solar particles, which are more intense during perihelion. These particles interact with the gases in our atmosphere to create beautiful displays of light. In contrast, the Southern Hemisphere experiences summer during January. And because the Earth is at its closest point to the Sun, the days are longer and the temperatures are warmer. However, just like in the Northern Hemisphere, the intensity of the sunlight is greater during perihelion. So even though the Earth is closer to the Sun, the extra sunlight doesn't really warm the planet up. Instead, it reflects off the Earth's surface and is sent back into space. As the Earth continues its orbit around the Sun, the distance between the two bodies will gradually increase until the Northern Hemisphere experiences summer and the Southern Hemisphere experiences winter. At this point, the Earth is at its farthest point from the Sun, also known as aphelion. So there you have it. Despite being at its closest point to the Sun during New Year's, the Earth is still cold because the sunlight can't reach us instantaneously, and the radiation has already begun to spread out by the time it reaches us. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe so you never miss an upload. And if you have a topic you want us to cover in a future video, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.